In a small village, there lived a boy named Ravi. Ravi was smart and sharp-minded. Everyone praised his intelligence, and his teachers believed he was gifted. But Ravi had one major flaw. He didn't value time. His days were spent hanging out with friends, playing games on his phone, and indulging in meaningless talk. His parents often tried to explain the importance of time, saying, "Son, time is the greatest wealth." But Ravi didn't listen. He would always say, "I'm still young. Life is long. I'll enjoy now and worry later." One day, the annual exam results were announced. Ravi, who always ranked among the top, barely passed this time. The same teachers who once praised him now avoided eye contact. Even some of his close friends started drifting away. As he walked home, Ravi's heart felt heavy. At home, his mother was silent. His father looked at the report card, sighed deeply, and walked away. Ravi was angry at himself, but he didn't know how to change. That night, Ravi went to his grandfather, one of the wisest and most respected elders in the village. They sat under the old neem tree in the courtyard. Ravi said, "Grandpa, I don't understand. I used to be a good student. What went wrong?" His grandfather listened quietly, then smiled and said, "Son, the problem isn't your ability, it's your mindset. You assume time would always be with you, but time doesn't wait for anyone." Ravi looked confused. "But Grandpa, we always have time, don't we? I can start tomorrow." Grandpa grew serious and replied, "No, son. Time is like the flowing water of a river. Once it passes, it never comes back." Let me tell you a story. Long ago, there was a king named Viraj. He had everything: gold, palaces, armies, and respect. But he had one bad habit. He always postponed everything. He would wake up late, spend time in entertainment instead of attending court, and say, "I'll do it tomorrow." One day, a wandering sage visited his court. The sage said, "Your Majesty, you have all the riches in the world, but you're losing the most valuable treasure, time. If you don't use it wisely, one day you'll suffer." The king laughed and said, "I have all the time in the world. I'm still young." The sage gave one final warning. "Time never turns an ant into a lion, but it can surely turn a lion into an ant." And then the sage left. Years passed. Viraj grew old. His army weakened, his people grew angry, and his once great kingdom began to fall apart. He remembered the sage's warning and tried to find him, but it was too late. Time had slipped away, and no amount of gold or power could bring it back. Grandfather looked into Ravi's eyes and said, "Son, time comes only once. Don't waste it." Ravi sat in silence. Something inside him had broken, and something new had awakened. He asked, "Grandpa, is it too late for me to change?" Grandpa smiled. "No, son. As long as you're breathing, you have time. But remember, never postpone what you can do today." From that day onward, Ravi changed his life. He made a routine, put his phone away, and started managing his time wisely. The next exam came, and Ravi topped his class. His teachers praised him again, but this time Ravi didn't feel proud. He felt peaceful. As he grew older, Ravi became a successful entrepreneur. And wherever he went, he shared one truth: don't waste time, because time is the true king.